D-Star project in America has existed for 10 years. It plans the launch of a powerful laser gun with solar batteries into space. The batteries are just over a half-mile long, so we'll have to assemble the gun in orbit, not on the ground.
With the help of such a device, it is planned to influence asteroids with the help of a laser beam in the future. The orbit of a dangerous asteroid is supposed to be changed by evaporating the substance from the surface of the asteroid with a temperature of up to 3,000 degrees Kelvin or 5,000 degrees Fahrenheit.
A huge space laser gun seems like something out of a sci-fi movie. But back in 2005, NASA, for the first time in history, attacked the comet Tempel 1, dropping a metal probe onto it. It rammed the surface, causing the release of matter weighing about 10,000 tons. All of this was done to analyze the composition of the comet. But at the same time, it paved the way for an experiment called DART. It will help NASA experts understand how asteroids would behave if attacked by a metal shell about the size of a domestic refrigerator.
The impact will happen at a speed of 15,000 kilometers per hour. That's 10 times faster than a bullet. The target will be a double asteroid, Didymos, which is at a safe distance from Earth. It consists of two asteroids with a diameter size of 2,500 and 500 feet. The small one revolves around the bigger one. In 2022, DART will hit the smaller object, slightly changing its orbit.